Okay, this is an announcement broadcast video. Hey guys, this is Becca. I'm glad to see you again. Let's see what we have to do on the calendar. Thank you, Mr. Hawk. He saved my life. That teach me not to ever let Becca do the announcement video with me. Okay, we have some announcement broadcasts to make. This is Blake. I'm your host, and we are Mr. Dan McLaughlin's office. We thank him for letting me use his office. Okay, first announcement, CFAT in Camp Lee. The money for CFAT is $285. The money for Camp Lee is $250. Go ahead and register online at ChristUMCYouth.com. And also, we have our 10 days of school left. May 23rd is our summer kickoff party. High school is going to Michelle McLaughlin's party. And middle school is going to the Richburg house. It's going to be awesome. Bring your swimsuits. It's going to be fun. The directions are online at ChristUMCYouth.com. Look them up. And we have these cards also. They're $8 each. They're 10 cards. They put $8 each. That's $80. Goes straight to your account for summer places like Camp Lee and CFAT. It's so cool. You need to buy some. And also, we that was fast announcement. So we that's all the time. But hey, we also have this contest. Since there's 10 days of school left, why don't we kick it off and leave the rest for fun? You need to dress up as a nerd. Send it to us, and whoever wins, drumroll please, gets to be on our next broadcast, and I interview them. It's going to be amazing, so fun. You'll sit right here with me. Yes, it's going to be great. And please send those to mcclarty.bill@gmail.com with your phone number and your email address. Okay, that's mcclarty.bill@gmail.com. And so, and if you have any requests or anything you would like to see on the announcement broadcast video, just log on to my fan page on Facebook. Blake is co-host for CUMC Youth announcement broadcast video, and just tell me stuff you want and tell your friends about it, or you can log on to ChristUMCYouth.com. That's all the time we have today, and that's all our announcements. So we're going to end with this dog thing attacking me. Yeah, Peace from Christ United. Turn off.
I'm sorry. I'm just raging at Blake in my head right now.
You gotta let everybody get sleep.
Okay, everybody in my house in one chair. Everybody say bye.
Bye. Get up, let's go.